Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys were able to pick up the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Static. Yo guys, I'm Danny Moore, back with a brand new video. Today, I'm gonna go pick up the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Static Non-Reflective. The reflective pair dropped yesterday on Yeezy Supply. As you guys saw from yesterday's video, I took a big fat L. A lot of us did. The release yesterday on Yeezy Supply was straight garbage, absolutely sucked. Was not able to get through. Resale's pretty nice on that pair. Oh well, it is what it is. But I did win the pair today, the non-reflective pair. So that's really dope. I won in store in Foot Locker. I'm gonna go ahead and go pick them up. I'm really excited. Before we do any of that, I do have a giveaway going on the channel. We're on the grind to 5,000 subscribers. When I hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm choosing a bunch of my subscribers to win Supreme box logo stickers, and one of you guys is gonna win a brand new Supreme headband in black. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe, drop a like on this video, comment your Instagram username, and done down below in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. When you're on my Instagram, check out this post, like the post, tag 3 friends in the comment section, and that is it. You're entered in the giveaway. I'm going to choose the giveaway winners from this Instagram post. So I did win a size 6 and a size 11 in store. I'm going to pick up both pairs. The size 6 I won about 45 minutes away. The size 11 I won about 15 minutes my regular mall, which is dope. My personal pair, size 11, reserved, awesome, 15 minutes away. The size 6 I'm going to pick up, and I'm giving it to my brother's girlfriend for retail. She really wants them. Before I head out of here, though, the Yeezy release just dropped on Adidas. I'm still currently waiting on the computer. I know nothing happened. So I'm currently waiting on Adidas to maybe get through, to pick up a pair, maybe to resell, make a few bucks. If not, it is what it is. Hopefully we can get through on Adidas. That would be cool. Go for a bigger size, or maybe one of the smaller sizes. Definitely not my size. It's not going to be a money size. I feel like 13.5, 14, 13, the bigger sizes will really do well for this release, and that's where the money is. So I'm going to head on Adidas. Maybe we can get through. If I don't, oh well, it is what it is, but I definitely have to go pick up these pairs and show you guys in this video, of course, me picking them up, unbox them, we're going to review them, and I'm going to toss them on feet for you guys. So let's head on Adidas, let's try to take a W on Adidas, and then let's go to Foot Locker and let's go pick up my pairs. All the good sizes are gone already, which sucks. It is 10:30, and as you guys can see, the good sizes, of course, the bigger sizes are gone. 4.5 is gone. Still waiting. Got a few tabs open. I was going to go after one of the big sizes just to flip, make some money on it, and then obviously pay less on my personal pair, but it is what it is. Oh well, Adidas, no good to go, but I got to go pick up my pair in store. Really, really excited to see these in hand and show you guys what these look like. So let's go to the store and let's go pick up my Yeezys. We made it to the mall. I'm not going to bring you guys inside. My Foot Locker does not allow recording. I've gotten kicked out of the Foot Locker before. It absolutely sucks. Can't record in the store. I'm going to go inside, pick them up, and I'll be right back. I'll show you guys the shoes. Of course, we'll do a review and on feet and everything. Stay tuned. Let me go pick them up.
A few minutes later.
Got the first pair. Let's go get the second pair. Got to go drive 45 minutes. Let's go pick up that size 6. Wow, this sun is mad bright. Alright, we got the second pair. Let's get home and let's take a look at the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Static Non-Reflective.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright guys, we have made it back home. Let's take a look at the sneakers. I'm really, really excited to take a look at these. So the official colorway is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Static, and Static. Size 11, let's take a look. So right here we have the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Static Non-Reflective. The only thing that reflects on this sneaker is the laces. When you shine the light, the 3M pops on the laces. This time around on the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Static, Adidas has switched up the stitching pattern of the prime knit upper. It is a different stitch pattern, and it's completely different than any other Yeezy 350 Boost V2. The prime knit upper is white and gray throughout the sneaker. The back of the sneaker features a white pull tab. Inside the sneaker, we have a white sock liner and a white insole with black Yeezy and Adidas branding. On the bottom of the sneaker, a white outsole The Yeezy 350 Boost V2 does have boost within the midsole of the sneaker. And of course, the main difference on this pair of Yeezys compared to other 350s is of course that stripe pattern, and that stripe is see-through on this pair. As you get closer to the toe, it becomes less and less see-through, and towards the back of the sneaker, it also gets less see-through. So the see-through part is mainly in the middle of the sneaker. As far as the fit of Yeezy 350 Boost V2s, definitely go half a size up. If you have wide feet, I recommend going a full size up. I actually really like this sneaker a lot. I think it looks really, really good. I really like what Adidas has done with the 350 V2 here. I think it looks really good. I'm just not sure how I feel about the see-through part in the middle of the sneaker. I'm going to throw these on feet and see how it looks. You guys will see that on feet, and I'm going to see how it looks for me personally. Other than that, though, I absolutely love the colorway. I think it looks really, really dope. I absolutely love this sneaker. It looks really, really sick. A really clean summer sneaker. I'm not sure why they're releasing it now. This, to me, is definitely more of a summer sneaker. It's going to pop really, really well. They're very similar to the creams, though. But these, have gray to them, so I don't think they're going to get as dirty, but these are definitely going to get dirty. So you got to take care of your sneakers, of course. But I really do like these a lot. I definitely think they're really, really dope. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys were able to pick up the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Static. Once again, this is the non-reflective pair. Yesterday, Yeezy Supply only released the Yeezy 350 Boost 3M reflective pair, and those flew. Resale right now is crazy on those pairs. They were very, very hard to get. This is definitely the more broader pair. These were much easier to get. A lot of people were able to get these, and really nobody was able to get the pair yesterday. Let me know what you guys think about the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Static non-reflective, this pair right here, and then let me know what you guys think about the reflective pair as well. Let me know if you guys were able to pick up either one, and what you guys think about Yeezys in general, because I know, people are saying Yeezys are dying. I don't think Yeezys are necessarily dying. Resale is, but I think Yeezys are just really popping still, and I really like what Adidas has done here. I think this colorway really, really nice. I'm really excited to see what Adidas does in 2019. I'm tired, honestly, of the 350 V2. I want something new, something different, something refreshed. So I think Adidas can put away the 350 V2. I think they can put it away, at least for now. Just lay off of it and give us something new, give us something fresh for 2019. But this is a really, really nice sneaker. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and on-foot look and pickup video of the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Static. Let me know if you guys were able to cop. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're on the grind to 5,000 subscribers. So if you're new here, make sure you guys join the More family. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.